Safe. Safe. Safe.
Get your apparatus, take off. Don't get your apparatus.
I forgot my hearing protection.
Uh-oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
Here, you want mine?
Nah, it's in my pocket. But I can't hear out of my left ear. Oh, maybe it is in. Nope, it's out.
You my over ear?
Yeah.
Dawn cam.
Clear.
Come on,
Come on, buddy.
Finish strong. Drop it.
Right, yeah.
Hey! 18352. Stand by.
Say hi to your fans at home.
Buy our merch, rogotactical.com. Oh, man. Come on.
Now let's move.
Too clear. 184.20.
Let's go. Let's go. Get a move. Let's go. Let's go. Drive it. Drive it. There you are.
Yeah, baby, let's go. Come on. All the way, all the way. Start some acceleration. Clear, clear, clear. Let's go, hustle. Make up that time right here, right here.
Flag, load, make it ready. Engage left to right. On. Yep. Yep. Yep.
What the fuck?
There you go. Yep. 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 Unload. Good to go.
That was the last round.
Move, move, move.
We go that way, this way.
Hey! Hey! No. Hey! You're high. Hey! Just low.
Hit.
That one hit.
To the right.
To the right.
Let's go, brother.
Up. All right, do it again. Hit. Hit.
Nope.
Hit. Hit. No. No.
Come on.
Hit. Go to the right.
Oh, fuck.
Unload, show clear.
Oh, shit.
Go, I'll get it for you.
Okay.
Can't use that one. That's for.
Let's go, let's pick that time up. Let's go, let's go. Hard part's over. Let's move. Let's move.
Shut the wall watching you. Let's go.
Keep that rope out of your way. Focus on your steering. Focus on your steering. Let's go.
He was holding on to it.
Come on, come on. Push.
I'm trying.
Drive it, drive it. Hey, you're done after this. Wait for a little bit. Go.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Go, drive it. Almost there. Go, 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 go. Full speed, baby.
Go, 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 let's go.
Ah.
227, run of the day. Oh, yes, right now. I got a James on that. Clear. Take off your shoes, right?
Can I leave these? I'll take them. Come on. Gotta go, gotta go.
Go!
Already got his pistol mag out like a little cheater bit. He got credited with the miss too. About the face. I don't blame you.
Nice. I'm going to show clear for me. All right, I'll sit there down, holster up. Hey.
Keep kicking it.
It doesn't help anything. All right.
But it looks funny as shit.
It does. Very silly.
Whoa.
His mom liked Tylenol when he was a baby.
So did my mom.
Too wobbly.
Don't come on, don't think, just get in there. You're a shooter. Gotta make it work. North Koreans are falling from the sky. Let's go. Go
Okay.
far left.
Far left.
Hey!
Nice, bro.
Good job.
I mean, fuck you, but nice. That's on camera. It's flipping faster than I was.
Whoop.
Oh.
That wasn't on purpose.
Got him flipping.
That wasn't on purpose.
He didn't do anything on
I
purpose.
know it wasn't. Be careful. One more. All right. Head. 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 Great job.
Crushing it, dude. Probably gonna beat me. Unless you fuck this up. I guess you can roll that slow if you want.
Slow it down.
Keep going. All we got left is some rope climbs, man. That's nothing. Doesn't take any energy at all to do those. Allegedly. Delta Seal Rangers tell me that. Let's go. Let's go.
All right. Pulling the top plate from the ball plate. Hey.
You told me I had to do it 4 times? I went ahead and saw it.
Got it. Do it again. Deep breath. Twist your ankle. You got this. Come on. Woo-hoo! Look at you go. Nice touch and go. Go. Unlock, no clear. Hammer down holster. Go, go, go.
Whoop. Come on. Safe. Am I hitting it?
No. Hit. 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 Hit.
Safe. The last round.
It's just one time on that. It's just one hit, then move to the next one. Not 2 hits, right?
Correct. It finished on the
Oh, look at that. Big boy's running. God, I really wanted you to eat shit on that run.
A gente querendo muito mais que isso. É a pressão da competição.
It's all right. Get there, get back.
Why aren't you running this time?
Oh, well, I run too much, you know. Must be the one time he probably just fucking falls. I don't get it. He's gonna be pissed about that miss. We're not gonna not hear the end of it the rest of the day.
Oh, don't worry. There's another stage that's going to be far more irritating.
Oh, good.
I promise.
Good. Oh, you got it. Calm it down. Get your hits, buddy. It's your bread and butter. Best shirt of the group. Make him feel good now.
Why would you go and do something silly like that?
Yes. Safe.
You, Andy.
He died. I don't know if he dialed. Maybe that's why he's missed. He doesn't miss, man.
Yeah, his turrets are still capped.
Yeah. He doesn't miss very often. And if he does, he's going real fast. So this is unusual for him.
Heart rate, maybe?
Yeah, they've never done that. They do the stand still and shoot.
Yeah, you said he shoots IDPA, so that's...
Yeah. So I used to move it to shit.
I give my buddies that shoot IDPA so much grief.
Oh yeah. I do. All right, you got it.
Got plenty of time though.
Miss. What the fuck?
That'd be the third one.
Is that 3 or no?
That's 3. Yeah, last one.
Keep going.
Last
No.
one.
Yeah, we have one more run. One more run. Are you aiming high or on?
No, I don't know why I'm missing it.
I can't see any misses. I can't see where. Jog it out. Come on. Don't let one stage be the weekend. Let's go. Move your ass. Ribeye.
Yeah, there have been a few guys who've been getting dead holes so that plate won't even move, and they start to get up and run like, no, shoot.
Yeah. I aim pretty much center, maybe a little high. Just a little high, but not much. Let it fly on this last plate.
Oh, yeah.
No more runs. It's pop, pop. Hurry up, get here and get shooting.
Now I gotta figure out where it's hitting.
Get busy shooting or get busy dying. That's what Morgan Freeman says. Let's go, buddy. Come on. That center punch, good.
Hit. 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 Hit.
Nice work.
There you go.
All right. Show us how it's done.
Hit. 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 They're finishing this okay.
There we go.
Yeah, smoking. And forward.